In this demo, we'll show you how to target Instagram users by location using Multilogin. You'll learn how to set up a cloud phone with a local mobile proxy so your account looks native to the market you want to reach. Let's get started. If you tried to target some location-related marketing on Instagram, you know it can be hard. But with Multilogin, it becomes simple because of the cloud phones, real Android devices hosted in the cloud. Instagram doesn't make it easy to target users by location. There's no native setting to restrict your posts to one country. Your feed and stories reach your existing followers first, no matter where you're trying to go. Reels leans on the language and geography of your current audience, and running multiple markets from one account sends Instagram mixed signals about who you're really for. Getting location targeting right comes down to a few things working together: a dedicated cloud phone for each market, a built-in mobile proxy to match its location, a device that looks native to that region, and content localized to fit it. Let's set one up. Let's create a profile for your target market. From the dashboard, click Create to start. Add a name for your profile so you can tell your markets apart at a glance. Create a new profile with a new proxy location for each additional country, and give each one its own content plan. Select Instagram as your use case and add tags to organize your profile by client, campaign, or market. First, select Multilogin as your proxy provider to access built-in proxies with more than 150 locations. Choose the proxy connection, mobile or ISP. You can also use third-party proxy providers if you already have them. Pick the country, and where available, the city closest to your audience. This is the step that decides which market your account will look like it belongs to. Then, choose a specific brand and model from our list of 12 different options. Click Create again to save your profile. Click the play icon to open your profile. You'll see a real Android screen, ready to use, just like a physical phone. You can install apps, just like on a normal phone. Open the Apps shortcut to find what you need. Open the built-in app marketplace, search for Instagram, and install it directly inside your cloud phone. Create or log into your Instagram account inside this profile and keep it there. Each cloud phone should hold just one account. Set your bio, highlights, and captions in the local language, and use the hashtags and location tags that market's own audience actually uses. Multilogin gives you isolated cloud phones, local mobile proxies, and everything else you need to target Instagram users by location. Start today with Multilogin for free.